Right, well, let's get you news now from Chhattisgarh, where a bandh has been called by the Congress condemning the Naxal attack and alleging inaction by the state government on the Naxal problem. Remember, 16 people were killed. Let's go across to Siddharth Das now for more. Siddharth, the Congress calling a bandh now, politicizing the entire issue clearly.
Yes, absolutely. State party president of the Congress, Bhupesh Baghel, just on the day of the incident, a day after it, actually had called for a statewide bandh today. And if my camera person can pan and show you that, people here in Jagdalpur to express their solidarity to the 15 martyred soldiers and the one civilian that was killed in the Naxal encounter have actually, closed their shops. And from dawn to dusk today in Jagdalpur, where we are reporting, there will be a dawn to dusk bandh. What the issue is now picking up, because the Congress here in Chhattisgarh is now politicizing the issue, saying that the government has done rather too little or literally nothing in the last 10 years to actually do anything to solve this Naxal problem. And because of this is the second time in last 1 year after the Jiram Valley incident where Naxals have actually been able to get such a success of actually murdering politicians and the security jawans. And so this bandh has been called today. If we speak of the investigation part of the encounter that happened on Tuesday, now the police has registered an FIR in this case in Tongpal police station, and they are now preparing the document. The post-mortem reports are being compiled together of the martyred jawans and the civilian, because very soon the NIA will be given basically the charge of the case. They will be investigating the case. Also on the ground, if I could tell you, the work of the construction sites have literally come to a grinding halt, because all the security officials are now busy in combing operations, trying to get any possible lead into the Tongpal encounter that happened on Tuesday. The police has got some breakthrough, but not in this particular case, but as the combing operations were on in Chandameta, which is on the Andhra-Odisha border from Chhattisgarh. There they've been able to arrest 2 Naxalites, who were involved in the Jiram Valley encounter happened last year. Both Kawasi Kosa and Deva have been arrested with IEDs and 3 live bombs yesterday. And now we bring to you this ground report as how both the contractors and the workers were initially relieved when the government ordered security forces to protect them on the ground. But now with these 2 incidents of actually the Naxals, Naxals killing security forces accompanying the workers and the contractors on the ground, so work has come to a standstill, and both the contractors and the workers are now worried a lot. Here is the report. Work at most construction sites in Bastar region has come to a grinding halt. After the Naxal attack on a patrol of 50 CRPF and state police forces on Tuesday, construction workers are afraid to make the journey to work. In an area that's been an epicenter of Naxal violence, the presence of security forces is the only safety net they have.
हाँ, प्रेशर गवर्नमेंट तो बोलती है अभी काम करो, और जब टाइम निकल जाता है तो गवर्नमेंट के प्रेशर में ही ठेकेदार आके काम करते हैं, और ठेकेदारों को भी कुछ अभी नई उम्मीद थी कि अगर सिक्योरिटी रहेगी तो हम लोग काम पूरा कर पाएंगे। लेकिन ऐसी परिस्थिति में जहां सिक्योरिटी भी फेल हो रही है, तो मेरे को लगता है कि काम करना इन एरिया में बहुत मुश्किल हो जाएगा।
For many of the daily wage laborers, this is the only source of livelihood. Lasu Ram and his father Sukaram both work on a road construction site in the Sukma district. They say they have no choice but to brave the violence and report to work. डर लगता है क्योंकि पुलिस वालों को तो हमला कर दिया उन्होंने, अब डर बढ़ गया है।
या तो बढ़ गया है सर।
लेकिन काम करेंगे,
हम लोग काम करेंगे सर, कैसे भी काम हम लोग काम करेंगे सर, हम लोग पेट भरता सर।
Just before the encounter on Tongpal, Naxals set 4 trucks on fire to block additional security forces from reaching the encounter spot on time. 2 of the 4 trucks belong to a company called PAS Construction. In the last 2 years, PAS has lost 16 trucks to Naxal violence. Officials in the administration refuse to comment on the concerns of the builders and workers, but the police have assured them of continued protection.
We make a plan on daily basis, like to which extent, to what extent they have to go, their machines will go, and where their people will camp. We certainly, those who are there, they're working in the interior area, we provide them shelter in our camps or campsite, nearby our campsites, and that's how we maintain their security. And in general, we generally move out first, and then they follow. So whatever risk is there, it is there with us.
This is the after effect of Tuesday's encounter. But work here will resume very soon as contractors fear fine or even worse being blacklisted by the state government if this project is not completed on time. And also the workers will come back as they have very limited options of employment in this remote part of Chhattisgarh. Both the workers and the contractors feel the government should take more steps to ensure a safer working environment to them, which in turn would accelerate the development in this part of Chhattisgarh. In Sukma with Vivek Srivastava and camera person Rizwan Khan, Siddharth Ranjan Das for NDTV.